Hi guys, Francisco Linares here, and today I want to show you how you can sign up for my advertising page. So if you can see in here, okay, there is a red button. So you just click where they say sign up. So this you can see in here, this is the application form you have to fill up, okay? So in here, you have to make sure there is your sponsor name. Make sure his name is in here, okay? At the moment it's my name, Francisco Linares, but make sure is that your sponsor name. And here you click and they say, if that is your sponsor. So you click yes, he is my sponsor. And then in here they say if you want your sponsor to contact you, I think you should say yes, because you want your sponsor, to help you on this business. So I think you should click yes, for your sponsor to help you and to teach you how this business works. And in here you have to click if you are male or female. And here you have to put your, how old are you, okay? And in here you have to put your full name. And then in here you have to put your email address and then retain your email address again. And in here you have to put which country are you, okay? So whatever are you, just click one of those. And in here you have to put your address. And in here you can see, you have to put your phone number, okay? Whatever, I don't know where you are. For example, we are in England, and we put +44. If you are in Spain, you put +34. And then here you put your phone number again. They say, enter your phone number. And here, this is very important, guys. You have to put a PIN number, four numbers. Yes, because when you want the company to pay you, so you have to put this PIN number. So put this number, whatever number you're gonna put in, just put in a safe place, okay? Then and here you have to put your second password. And here with this company, you have to put 2 passwords to get into the back office. So, and here you have to put the second one, and then you have to put it again, okay? As I said before, like the PIN number, just put all this in a safe place, in a safe folder for you to remember it later. And in here, a secret question. So there's so many questions in here. Yes, so you can put, I don't know, let's say this one. What is your first pet name? Okay, so my first pet name, his name, let's say, is Alfie. Okay, so I put his name in here, and then in here you put a hint. So I will put, because Alfie is a dog, I will put dog. Yes, something like that. So all these details, just keep it on a safe place. And then in here username, I put a Frank Linares, but you can use whatever you like. And then in here now you have to put your first password, okay? And then you have to put your first password again. All right, so all this, as I said before, all these details, guys, put it on a safe place, in a safe folder where you can, use them later, okay? Because sometimes you forget things. I do sometimes, all right? And in here, just tell you how do you hear about my advertising page, okay? And then when you click here, register, guys, we're gonna go straight to the back office. So if you click in here, click, boom. So you're gonna go in here, okay? This is the back office. So when you arrive, guys, you can see this banner is in red, okay? So you can see this banner is in red. So and now I'm gonna show you how this banner have to be in green, because then is when you start to make money. So I'm gonna show you that on another video. Okay, guys, I'll see you later, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye for now.